Welcome to this video showcasing designs from the Couture Atelier. We begin with a look at some of the beautiful bridal wear pieces available. Next, explore a selection of elegant couture dresses. Observe the vibrant colors and rich textures of these full-length gowns. A closer look reveals the intricate details and luxurious fabrics used in the collection. The collection also features a variety of stylish corsets. Here is a stunning ball gown in a striking color combination. The video also highlights simpler pieces, like this chic top. Discover these fashionable cocktail dresses, perfect for any evening event. This cocktail dress is crafted in violet tie silk and velour. Two more cocktail dresses, one in red tie silk and the other in violet silk taffeta. Another example features flock taffeta, combined with red tie silk. A beautiful, form-fitting dress designed in raspberry red tie silk. This exquisite dress combines blue silk with delicate black lace detailing. A glamorous, sequined dress with a striking black and silver pattern. This piece features a reflective top paired with an asymmetric tulle-layered skirt. Observe this stylish halter neck top, a versatile addition to the collection. The halter neck top is shown here with an added full-length skirt. A stunning corset dress made from vibrant red tie silk. A closer view of a sophisticated cowl neck dress. More of the collection on display. Next up is an asymmetrical silk skirt. This is an asymmetrical balloon dress featuring a unique silhouette. A look at a creative dress experiment. This dress features an asymmetrical design with a distinct square train. Another view of the dress designs. An impressive design made using only 4 fabric pieces. A luxurious dark red silk duchess dress is presented here. The dark red silk dress is paired with a multi-layered red tulle skirt. A detailed look at the volume of the multi-layered tulle skirt. This ensemble features a flock jacket and a brocade skirt, highlighting stylish flock jackets in black and Bordeaux colors. A close-up view showing the texture of the flock jacket fabric. Another example of a finely tailored flock jacket. This seam displays a corset dress design. The corset dress is complemented with a half-circle skirt. A luxurious dress made from velour fabric. This velour dress includes an elegant back cowl detail, a detail shot focusing on the delicate silk flounces. All these designs are from Atelier Jean F. Clément. Thank you for watching this video.